Hello everyone and welcome back to Dummy to Punny. Let's continue our phonics series. Today we have an interesting letter for you. Right? It's letter G. Now G has two sounds. Let's have a look at the first example here. Okay, so today we're going to look at the hard G sound. So the hard G sound makes the sound G. G. So let's look at some examples here. G, a, m, gum. The next one, g, ape, gape. And the final example here, dog, d, a, g, dog. So the hard G sound makes the sound g, g, g. Alright, so now we're going to look at our next one here. We have the soft G sound. The soft G sound makes the sound J, J, like a J sound, okay? Like in giant, giant, J, giant. As in gym, J, gym. And as in gem, J, E, M, gem. So remember, the soft G sound makes the sound J. So let's also remember there are exceptions to rules, and in English there are many. We have three examples. Let's quickly go through them, right? The first one, girl, saggy, get. Here, these G's, even though they are followed by the I, E, and Y, they still make the hard G sound, G. Right, bear that in mind. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.